Uh-oh. 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 Reese, can you say uh-oh? Uh-oh. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Reese, tell me uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do you drop it every time I say uh-oh? Tell me uh-oh. Whoa! Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Hey, say it to me. Reese. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the door's closed. Uh-oh, the door's closed. Hi. Hi. You tell me uh-oh? Baby? Are you a baby? Uh-oh. Baby, that's baby. That's baby. Hey, what do you see over there? What are those? What are those? Those are Daddy's what? His shoes! You're right. That's the sign for shoes.
Dada.
Dada. Oh, yeah, you don't like the tile. Hi! Hi, Reese. Whoa, can you do that again? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey, go get Daddy's shoes. Go, no, Reese, no. Good girl. Go get Daddy's shoes. Good girl. Yay. Dada's shoes. Good girl. Where are you going with Daddy's shoes? Okay. Hey, Reese. Come here. Reese. Can you bring me the other pair? Can you bring the other shoe, I mean? Can you bring me both shoes? Yeah, those Dada's shoes. Okay, we're done. Uh-oh. I just want to hear you say uh-oh once. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, bye-bye.